From time to time, you might want to update your company logo and branding. For example, if you've rebranded your company, or if your company's gone through some sort of merger, these could be good reasons to change your branding. So you can see here on the left-hand side, I've got my report preview open, and my logo is shown in the footer at the bottom. Likewise, on the app, the logo is shown here in the center. So it's obvious to me which company I'm logged into. Bear in mind, my user could be linked to multiple company accounts. Please check out our article on company account switching. But this is a great indicator because I know exactly which company I'm in currently. Now I'm using the default cover page here. You might have a custom design cover page which brings in different elements of your company branding, and also the logo could be anywhere on the page and any size. You might also have different branding elements throughout your report, for example, your fonts, your color scheme, and so on. It could be that you have custom headers and footers even. So when you want to change these branding elements and the logo, what do you need to do? Well, at the time of recording this, there is no way to do this yourself from within the app. Instead, you'll need to contact our support team and ask for the changes you need. Please check out our article on contacting support. When you get in touch with support, I would recommend sending over a high resolution version of your logo, if you have one, ideally a vector image. If you don't, that's fine, just send it in the highest quality you have available. And a PNG or a JPEG format will be just fine. So that's the logo. If you want to send us any branding elements, then usually the best thing to do is to send us a style guide if you have one, or some sort of brand document. If you don't, you could always send us an example of a document you've created which incorporates some of this styling, or send us a link to your website if that shows off some of the things you want. Make sure you are as clear as possible when telling us what you want, because there is quite a lot of work involved in customizing your layouts with the branding. We'll often just create a test report and show you before we make it live, and then we can roll the changes out to any other layouts that you have. So just to recap, if you need to change your logo and branding, that's no problem. Just get in touch with our support team and tell us what you need. In the future, we'll likely have some options for you to do this yourself. One thing I didn't mention is that if you need to change your company name, that's a sort of separate conversation, so please make that very clear to support when you get in touch. Ensure you provide all of the brand assets that you can to make it as easy as possible for us to understand what you need. So whether that's a logo or a style guide, whatever you have at hand would be helpful. And finally, just to say, you're not stuck with any brand. If you want to change it again later on down the line, that's absolutely fine. It's all just part of our service.